Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the project. Add the device preview dependency and ensure your IDE supports Flutter. Once done, open main. Dart and wrap your app with device preview. This enables the preview layer. Make sure to enable device preview, true, or use device preview. App builder to pass your app. Run Flutter pub-get and then launch the app in debug mode. This first step activates the device overlay so you can choose physical device frames, resolutions, and locales immediately without rebuilding the app repeatedly. You now configure the device preview for realistic testing. Use the toolbar to pick a device frame, change pixel ratio, and switch orientations. This simulates real hardware behavior. Next, toggle themes and locales to validate translations and dark mode. If you need custom devices or behavior, implement device preview. Device or pass an app builder that injects media query overrides. This approach avoids platform-specific emulators for many checks and speeds up iteration. So you can validate UI adaptability quickly while keeping hot reload active. You finish by relying on hot reload to iterate rapidly inside the preview. Every change shows without full rebuilds. Before release, wrap device preview usage behind a release check so it's only active in development. If the preview fails to reflect changes, clear pub cache, confirm package versions, and inspect console logs for media query or provider conflicts. If layout still misbehaves, compare with a real emulator briefly. This isolates preview-specific issues from app logic. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.